Hello dears, welcome to our channel. If you have wrinkles around your eyes, you are looking for a way to get rid of wrinkles around your eyes, try this remedy. In today's video, we will prepare a recipe for a natural homemade anti-wrinkle eye mask. Dear friends, if you are interested in more natural masks like this, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the like button if you like the videos. Dear friends, if you are interested in more natural masks like this, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the like button if you like the videos. Dear friends, this is a great remedy for eye wrinkles. To do this, just apply it around your eyes and do not apply it inside your eyes. This will help get rid of wrinkles. If you have wrinkles around your eyes, under your eyes, this will help get rid of them. You need cucumber slices along with this remedy. It is good to put the cucumber slices on your eyes for just 5 minutes and then remove them. If you live in a very sunny environment, cool it down a little. If you live in a cold environment, this is good. There is no need to make it cold because the weather is cold and it will cool everything down. So you need to put them. So you get 2 slices, dip it very well in the remedy. Apply the cucumber slices outside your eyes. Make sure you close your eyes. This remedy is an anti-redness remedy. So apply this mask around your eyes. Just apply it around your eyes, under your eyes. Cucumber also helps in removing eye bags. This is very good for removing eye bags, wrinkles around your eyes. So this is good. This cucumber natural mask. So this ingredient is very good for under eyes. But for wrinkles, you apply this and leave it. Okay, at least 5 minutes and then, after 5 minutes you remove it. Easy and simple. So you use this tomorrow. Again, you use it for at least 4 days to get rid of your wrinkles. After that, you can continue this at least once a week. So this is amazing and helps in getting rid of wrinkles around your eyes quickly. So if you have wrinkles around your eyes, if you are looking for a way to get rid of wrinkles around your eyes, try this remedy. Dear friends, if you are interested in new natural masks like this, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the like button if you like the videos.